Basically, the research that goes on in this laboratory focuses on fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and thermodynamics, mostly related to aviation or energy production. The projects that I have are related to aviation safety. The projects that are going on in the wind tunnels are mainly related to airframe icing, aircraft icing, associated with what happens when an aircraft flies through a supercooled cloud coming in for a landing, for example. Some of the other research that we do looks at ground icing, in other words, what happens when surfaces of the aircraft are very, very cold and they can build up frost. And so part of the research that we do is associated with trying to model and predict and measure how frost grows on aircraft surfaces that are really, really cold, for example, after they come in from a flight. And then the other part of the research that I do involves looking at fluid mechanics and heat transfer inside of gas turbine engine components. That is what happens when you have these little roughness features and when you're trying to keep these gas turbine components cool. How do you cool them, and how do the surfaces interact with the flows to govern the heat transfer?